Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Honda CRV. First, gather your tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, run your engine for about 5 minutes to warm the oil, making it flow better. Then, safely lift the front of your CRV using a jack and place jack stands under the frame for security. Now, let's drain the old oil. Slide your drain pan under the oil pan, then use your 13mm wrench to loosen the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly once the plug is removed. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out. With the oil drained, it's time for the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being careful as more oil might drip out. Take your new filter, apply a small amount of fresh oil to its rubber gasket, and then hand tighten it onto the engine. Finally, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely with your wrench. Now, add the fresh oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and amount, typically around 4 quarts of 0W20 oil for a Honda CRV. Pour it slowly, then start the engine for a minute. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Don't forget to reset your maintenance light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.